Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. I was in store for a hunt today, and what did I find? A 2018 International J Case. I haven't actually seen a full one of these cases yet, so I was pretty excited to see it on the ground there. I know it's a little bit late to be actually opening one, but I haven't seen a full one, so I thought, well, let's rip it open, and let's hope that there is a treasure hunt in this case for me, because I've been missing out on the cool combi, which is in this J Case. So we'll just pull them out and show you guys what is actually in this case. It's a whole heap of good ones there. You saw those Nissans. I've already got those in the white and the black that was released this year. Already got the complete series of the Checkmate in the black series. It's a pretty cool car, the Fandango. Oh, and I really like that Volkswagen Golf. I've got that in yellow. I'm waiting for the newer Golf to come out to open them at the same time. Bit of fantasy cars there. A few Super Chromes. Got the Nissan Repu there. It's a pretty nice case, to be honest. A lot of nice cars. Oh, we've got the Moonface Racing there on that stock Camaro. It's pretty cool. I like all of those. And that blue on that car is pretty cool too. So I was getting a little bit disappointed. I'm like, where the hell is this treasure hunt? What's going on? Oh yeah, that Mustang is sweet too. Really like that in the yellow. And bam, there it is. The cool combi treasure hunt for the J Case. I've not seen one on the pegs, and this is the first one I've gotten my hands on. So I was pretty excited to be able to open this case and grab it out. Oh, there's that ZL Camaro. I really like that car, and that green is so cool. And there's no super treasure hunt in this box. You can see that it was a mainline because that truck is the super treasure hunt for the J Case. So now we're on to the bottom row. Another one of those Volkswagen Golfs. Some pretty nice cars in this case. I mean, if you came to get this case brand new and you're the first one there, there's a whole, and you don't have any of them yet, it's a whole lot of really nice cars that you could go home with. I was really impressed with it. Oh, Fast Feline. I really love that car. It's so cool. Just opened the Fiat 500 from the Daredevils series, all of them, including the Super Treasure Hunt. You should check that video out. Oh, that little Honda car is so cool as well. Oh, we've also opened a whole heap of those Ford GT Race this year as well. Check that video out. Oh, that 55 Corvette is pretty cool. I've already got it in blue, but I haven't opened it yet. And this is a brand new one for 2018 there, that Ford. Alright, we're getting to the end of the case. So a lot of these cars we've already opened on the Hot Wheels Garage. Not so much that motorbike. I'm not a motorbike collector. But yeah, a lot of them we've already got here. So that's pretty cool that I finally found the treasure hunt. Alright everyone, let me know what you would have picked out of this 2018 J Case if you found it in store. I was really happy to just take home that one car, that cool combi treasure hunt for 2018. Alright everyone, big thumbs up, leave your comments down below which is your pick of the case, but most importantly don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone.